Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this thin line, thick line. I still don't really understand what you do, but the one benefit it could have, you could draw lines like this. So we're going to take this line that I drew earlier, and if you remember, if you didn't watch part 1, you might want to watch it. I'm actually going to take this line and hold down the shift key and hit this line and make it a little bit thicker. Okay? Now I'm going to select both lines, all 3 lines, and go up to Object and convert them. Convert the outline to an object. And then I can left click, right click. And you can see basically we have 3 rectangles. But if we select everything and weld it, now we have 1 rectangle with different thicknesses that you could fill in. But there's more you could do with it. You could make it look like that. And depending on where you wanted it, if you bring in an indexing line and you have snap to index or guidelines on or object, I've got objects on, so it'll work. Set your nudge factor on whatever you want without anything selected. And there's your nudge factor. We're going to set on a 1/4 inch. We're going to take our nudge tool and hit the left arrow key. Now we're going to take our shape tool and go right there on that intersection and double click. And that put a node right there. Double click. Then you could take away these nodes and you'd have it that shape. Now you could do the exact same thing to the other side, but get it to be exactly. Let's do this. Let's hit P on the keyboard. Let's take a 2-point line, make a line and hit P. And we're going to take away this side with the virtual segment delete key. Then we can take this side, we can actually take our line away. Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the control button, get the 2-sided arrow. And then that way, and then always take your Smart Fill tool. Let's use a different color and fill it in. And that seals it up and it all makes it one continuous shape. And you get that on both ends. And then depending on whether you want the outline or not, just left click, no outline, and you have that object. I can see a little bit of the purpose of doing this. So maybe that'll help explain it a little bit better. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.